Alright, I am live. Let's see. I'm gonna post this first. I am live. Time to finally fix the switching problem on game dev stream number 11. And then we want to post. Copy link there and hashtag indie dev and hashtag game dev, and yeah, that should be enough. There we go. And the stream seems to be working fine, I believe. Okay. So what I'm going to do is change how the active hero mon is decided. First of all. And that should be in teams. So the active ID shouldn't be needed. Boom. And we're gonna create a ton of errors and fix them one by one. Selector list hero mon. Oh, right. Let's remove this sort thingy. Let's just say that let's just put this here. And remove this and remove that. And active ID hero mons 0. Let's see what happens when I try to run it. Yep, more errors. 11 errors. This is gonna be so much fun. T1 hero mons 0 and 0. 9 errors. Okay. Hero mons 0 0 and 0. 6 errors. Okay. So this is when I have chosen to switch. Here I should swap places in team class to put this, to put selected hero mon at hero mon 0. Fast equals that one and this one. Okay. right now, no errors. We're gonna have a ton of errors. Switch, this looks fine. Even that looks good. Okay, switching did not work. Maybe we want to... Let's see, was it here? No, it should be in the combat phase. Switch place. So we should say that Heromon Tempmon equals to T1 Heromons and we had action dot selected Heromon. No. Or can I do it like this? And then we say T1 dot Heromons at position action dot selected Heromon equals to T1 dot Heromons at 0. T1 dot Heromons at 0 equals Tempmon. I think this will work. Have some Wind Waker music. Oh, it switched to this one. That's cool. But those did not swap places, and I have a feeling that it's because the Heromon selector or the switch choice class needs changes. Switch choice. Here we go. Content manager, the Heromon itself, cell ID. I'm not sure what I'm looking for there. I think it should have only one ID, maybe the focus ID. Oh, no. Maybe I don't need any IDs here. Content manager and does it take 2 arguments or no, it's 3 arguments. What did happen here? Why have I done so many parentheses? I should remove that one. It makes no sense. Open, open, close, close, okay. And we go to the Heromon selector and remove cell ID. No, I think I need it. Maybe just I. Sort hs.update. Okay, so we have an update function here. An update to make sure that I don't think I can do it here. This one can't reach team. I think we need it here. And let's see. Do I really need an ID? I'm always asking that, but I guess I do, because I always go back to it. Selector list I dot ID equals I. Or do I go through the team? The player team instead? Doesn't matter really. I want it to loop through every single Heromon in the team and make sure need to think massively again. Hmm. Oh my god, it actually worked. Boom and boom. And then we switch to this one. Guys, we did it. -2 health. Oh shit. Oh. I actually pretty much surpassed my previous project now. This feels so good. This was the goal with this stream, but we can't just leave it at 19 minutes. Oh my god. Took me 2 joggings and 2 meditation sessions pretty much to get through this. You have no idea. Oh, some Coca-Cola. I even forgot to drink. Sugar is good for you. Okay, what's our next goal? So maybe the back button, so that we can click on switch and then go back. I think I want it here. I do believe that I had a button for that on my previous project. Let's see. Back. Oh my god, that's an ugly button. Oh well. Back button. classes do I have for buttons? We have the init button, move button. Let's call it a back button, and we can reuse it for every single, for fight and for switching and items. Create a new item. A class called back button. We need a texture 2D. We need a rectangle for the hitbox or position or whatever. And let's start with that. And we'll see what we need. I think it needs to take private. Let's privatize them. And a really public string public string. This should be the variable defining whether it's when you're switching Heromon or selecting an attack or selecting an item. So public string situation. That's a bad name, but I couldn't think of anything better. Content manager CM and string sit, yeah. And we'll say that situation equals sit, texture equals cm.load, texture 2D, and textures UI, textures UI back button, and box equals new rectangle. Switch situation, case fight, case switch, and case item. Or do I call it backpack? I think it's item, right? Items button, yeah. Items. And if we're on switch, then X equals to, maybe we have 15 and Y equals 15. Let's put the other ones at 0, 0. And we adjust it later. Y equals 0. And this is just so that we can say X and Y. Texture.width. Texture.height. Do. I feel like the music is a little bit too loud. Okay, a little bit better there. Use of unassigned. Is it because it needs to be like 0, 0? Yeah. I think this is good. And public int update, and we'll say that int result equals -1, and let's do another switch situation. Carp. Let's see. Case for fight. No. And case for switch. And case for items. Right. This needs to be within a... Oh, update needs to take another argument. It needs to take a rectangle or a mouse. How did I do with the other buttons? Like the switch button or move button? Do I have a switch button? No. Let's see, move button. There we, yeah, a rectangle mouse box. That's what I thought first. Mouse box. And if mouse box dot intersects with box and oh yeah, another parenthesis. If mouse state, if mouse state equals mouse dot get state left button. Oh, I feel like this is really wrong. Let's go to move button again. If mouse dot get state dot left button equals button state dot pressed. Let's go with pressed. Let's see if I remember. Mouse mouse dot get state dot left button equals button state dot pressed. I hope that's right. And then we do the switch situation thingy and say that, wait, why do I have to do this even? I don't think I have to do this. I can just look at, let's see, in battle, I do have these cases. 0 for init choice. And result should therefore be 0. And we end with return result. Yeah. And this back button should reside within switch choice or return focus ID. I could actually just say that at the end here. Yeah, let's add the back button first. That one should be private. Back button, B button, and B button equals new back button, CM, and switch. And we say that right at the end, if b button dot update. Do I have the mouse box here? Cool. Mouse box. If it's 0, focus ID. No, that's just wrong. I can't do this here. I think it needs to be done in battle interface or battle. Do I have any buttons here? Move choice. Maybe I'll just add a couple of buttons here. Private. Where is the B interface? Does it not have an update function? Yeah, update. Is it not used? I can't see where it's used. Is there a way to see? Go to find all references. Combat phase. UI. Does it have a battle interface? Battle animation. There it is. It actually takes battle interface as an argument. Let's just make it easy. And oh, Robin. Hi. Well, it's going great actually. I solved the issue that I've been dealing with for like a month, just like 20 minutes ago. So now I'm trying to add some more buttons. And a back button. Let's call it back button switch. Because it's a button that should appear when you want to switch Hieromonn. Back button switch equals new back button CM switch. And here. If back button switch dot update equals 0, switch ID equals 0, or face equals 0. Back buttons oh yeah, it takes an argument with mouse box. Yes. And we need to draw it. Public void draw. Right batch SB SB.draw texture box color.white, and let's draw it here. It's during the switch choice. Back button switch SB. Oh crap. Dot draw. Let's see. So when we click on switch, we want this back button here, right? And if you click on it, we go back. Perfect. Whew. It actually worked on first try. Let's see, how big is this button? Or let's just put it further to the right. 75 maybe. Maybe further down too. There, looks better, I think. But I actually want this button to be bigger, I think. What happens if I say that int width equals 0, int height equals 0, and here we say that the width is, how big is it? It's 200 in width and 80 in height. So let's say 400 and 160. Oh my lord. Okay. That's not good. It's way too big. 300. Let's see, what's 50% of 80? That's 40. 80 plus 40 is 120. Let's have the correct ratio. Maybe that's good, but another position. Put it back to 15-15 like I had first. A little bit to the right, maybe a little bit down. $30. That's okay, I guess. So I can switch to this one if I want, or go back. Oh, that's still there. That's pretty bad. I should reset this value. Let's see what. It's the switch button thingy. It should be set to default. Let's say case -1 instead. What happens then? Okay. So as soon as focus ID, I think I need it to be public so I can reach it from battle. If phase, so if the phase becomes 3 within the initial choice, switch choice dot focus ID becomes -1. Does that work? So no. I think we need a reset. Public void reset. And yeah, that's what happens when I have selected someone to switch to. that should also happen when I back. But I should be able to reach it from here. Switch choice dot reset. No. Doesn't fix it at all. No, wait, that was totally wrong. It's here. I'm just messing up. Perfect. That's great. This is going so well. So let's whip. Bam. Bam. Switch. Switch to this one. I think I want to fix this as well. That. I shouldn't be able to select the gray one. And it should be fixed here, I think. Da, 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 da. If and if focus ID isn't equal to 0, I hope that's all I need. Da, 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 da. Oh, that's bad. At least the switching works still. Wait. Twilight Princess has so good songs. What happens if I say if focus ID equals 0, then focus ID equals -1? That's gonna be crazy, but it's just a thought. No, it just makes it not appear here. But maybe that's a good idea, actually. No. That's a bad idea. I don't want to go down that path, because I'm gonna add more here. I'm gonna have a button where it says like details or something, so I can read about this Heromon more. And I will want to be able to read about my active Heromon as well. So let's not go down that road. what you want to do is make sure that is this The Simpsons? Let's see. If it's... What happens if I say if it's bigger than 0 instead? No, same thing. It's this action. Maybe it's... and switch button, but this is gonna be crazier than ever. Dot. Wait, what? Switch button box dot x. If switch button box dot x isn't equal to 50. That's so stupid, but let's see if it works. They both appear. Oh no, I can't use this. That's so stupid. Oh, that's so stupid. What happens if I say instead focus ID isn't equals to 0? They both appear, and that's clickable. Oh, it's because it's changing down here. Yeah. I actually want to add a comment and say that this switch btn box dot x isn't equal to 50 thingy. It's the most stupid thing in this code, in this entire project, and I am so proud of it. Just had to. Right, so we actually solved that issue too now. Maybe we should add this back button here as well. So if the case is fight, let's see, 1080 in half is 540 minus 100, so 440. I think that's right. And the Y value, I have no idea. Let's just say 500 and hope for the best. And width equals texture dot width. Height equals texture dot height. Oh, I need to actually make the button as well. Here we have the buttons: private, back button, fight, back button, fight equals new back button CM fight. It should be here. If back button dot update if back button fight dot update mouse box equals to 0. I don't remember if it's that, but face equals to 0. I think I could just say that face is equal to back button dot. Could I do the same with this one? No, I couldn't. Let's just do this anyways. And here add the back button fight. Does not exist because I haven't created an instance of an object. I have, okay. Back button fight does not exist in this context. It doesn't? No. It's that I need to use the draw function. Fight. Oh my god, that landed perfectly. Wow. But I want to be sure that I can't back there. Oh crap, it has to be moved up. It was so close to being perfect. Let's say 495. That was a oh come on situation. Fight. Oh jeez, how big is it? Really? It's really big. 490 maybe? Oh. Wow. Okay, maybe not so close anymore. Because the button is huge. Oh, that's good. Okay, now I'm fine with it. As long as I don't back when I'm supposed to use an attack. Okay. And we don't have items yet, yeah. But that's for another time. Hey, that's a 1 hour stream. And we solved probably the most issues I've ever solved in a stream in that short of time. So I'm satisfied. That's crap. Oh my god, yeah. I want to thank you if you watched this, and I'll see you on the next one.